Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Meta Business Suite login problems, account and permission errors step by step clearly. If you're encountering login problems with Meta Business Suite, you're not alone. Let's walk through some steps to troubleshoot account and permission errors. First, ensure you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Next, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. Try switching to a different network if you're experiencing connectivity issues. If you can log in on another device, the issue may be with your current device. Clear the cache and cookies of your web browser, as this can resolve many login issues. If you're using the mobile app, try updating it to the latest version. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app. Check if your account has any outstanding issues. Visit the Meta Business Help Center for information on any restrictions. If your account has been disabled, follow the instructions provided for recovery. Next, ensure you have the necessary permissions for the account you are trying to access. If you're part of a team, verify with your team admin that your access rights are intact. For issues related to business roles, confirm that you have been assigned correctly in the business settings. Sometimes, a simple browser change can help. Try accessing Meta Business Suite via a different browser. If you're still experiencing issues, consider contacting Meta support for further assistance. When reaching out, provide them with specific details about the error messages you're seeing. Following these steps should help you resolve your login issues with Meta Business Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.